Hey man, I'm about to start a little t-shirt line too, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug you in with that for sure. Hell yeah. You fuck with them steering wheels they be having? They be having like with the lights and stuff on top.
I was thinking about ordering me one. Probably an SRT joint.
I think.
Like
Hell yeah, yeah. I think Davidson on there hook it up for you. Yeah.
high right now. It's a matter of time.
Watching any of the latest videos I've been posting? What's your like most favorite one you've seen so far?
I don't know where you was at, but no. I think the one when you went up to that car show.
Yeah, it was a lot of stuff up there. Shit, we gonna have to click up this somewhere and goddamn we could roll down that motherfucker. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be out there. Yeah.
I don't really do group chats, but I ain't.
Okay.
Everybody, I don't know anybody in there. You, Talib, couple of
yeah, they had kicked us out the chat, so I was like, shoot, I'm about to just make my own chat. Yeah. So I was like, shoot. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, shit, I might just try to make my own, see if people fucking with me. And they were fucking with me. Everybody stayed in there and everything. So we just gotta get it more rocking. And I think that'll happen over time for real.
Everybody gotta get to know each other.
Hell yeah.
I don't know a lot of this news.
Once I feel like some time passed, we be straight. Good to me, boy. Shit. No, sound good. I'm trying to go somewhere where I don't think no. Get a good hit one time. Hey, I got a little POV in Talib car too. I'm gonna drop that. Probably drop that tomorrow. And I'll probably drop this the next day. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Do it to him then. I can't wait. I'm about to try to get my shit up so I can get one of these cars, man.
Hey, look, I seen. In fact, earlier I was just watching that video. You was like, I bought the Scat.
Yeah.
Like, whoa, my boy, they got a Scat.
Yeah, a lot of people hit me up. It was like, yo, no, you did.
Yeah, bro, I thought you did. I clicked on that video so quick.
That video gonna come though. Yeah. It's gonna be lit. I'm gonna go crazy. It's a must. Yeah, it's like. If I put you on my TikTok, I'll be putting a lot of shit on TikTok too. That be sensitive, boy. Nah, I ain't trying to get you in no trouble, bro. Especially
me.
I'm gonna get a good deal right here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh boy, trying to race the police.
Yeah.
Oh boy, wasn't trying to arrest the police, dog.
They flew up on me good. They cruised up on me good.
Hey,
too.
I'm definitely, hey.
He said, police, police.
Hey.
Police, police.
Yeah,
I was about
to get her, man.
good thing I stopped.
Some of these police be testing.
Yeah.
I caught
Cause he
one
flew
at-
by me.
Yeah, I caught one at the light. He tried to rev up, but man, take off.
Oh, yeah. Trying to set you up.
Yeah, we got it. That's what you- So cool down this way.
Yeah,
Be careful down here.
yeah, bro.
Shit like that.
Now that right there, you can't make that up right there.
Yeah.
Motherfucker just roll right back casually. That's all we needed right there. I be forgetting all about that. Yeah, that bit bad, boy. I can't wait. That motherfucker bad. Damn, boy. It's coming soon too. I'm about to drop the clothing line shit.
Yeah.
Try to get me some bread going.
Yeah.
Then once I finish school, I already know I'm gonna go get me a better job.
Where you working at now?
I work at the car wash now.
Oh, yeah.
The one we just passed.
Joint right now?
Yeah. So once I finish school, I feel like I'll be able to get something better. High paying. Click me back over. Yeah. You let your brother drive yet?
Not this. Not yet.
Put him in there.
You
Yeah.
gotta get a feel. He be tapping the gas, and I know he tapped it. That was sensitive.
Yeah, this ain't sensitive.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to let you get the video, man, on the straight and narrow, man. Just
You gonna just eat it up?
dash, man.
Bet.
Yeah.
You know I'm gonna get that.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you get that, man. You know, I respect the grind, so.
Oh yeah, we grinding, man. We gonna really get stuff popping when we start, like I said, once we get the motion up, like we gonna try to throw events and everything.
Yeah.
Try to just kind of like get some stuff going in the city. Me and Lee were talking about that joint.
Yeah, that sounds good. It be a lot of dudes. I know a couple dudes out of town too that got these Hellcats. I know a couple dudes that got some tracks.
Yeah.
And look, but I've been looking lately at I seen a track called Greensboro.
Uh-huh.
They going at 60,000 or 67,000.
Ain't bad at all. I be seeing some, they were like 100. I was like, I can't fuck with that. What's good, gang? Hope y'all enjoyed the POV and the Scatty, man. We was in the motherfucking Scatty, man. But yeah, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and go follow me on the gram at Smooth Bucks. We up. Let's go.